Booyah! It's tax return season. Did you get yours? Because I got mine. And I know you guys want to spend all of this money on some car parts. Wow, this is really distracting. So we're doing a sale. You can save 12% using code TS2020. And we're also doing 5% off wheels. Those are automatically be discounted once you add them to your cart. We're also doing a giveaway. If you guys, let me shake off all this money, want to win this TR style OLM 2017 side skirt, you can use your order number from the sale and comment that down in the comment section down below, and we'll randomly pick one of you guys as a winner. Now, if you've never done a discount code on our website, it's very, very simple. You just go on the View Cart button, you scroll down a little ways, and then the discount code is right there for you guys. So that's all I got for you. Go ahead and head to the website, because this is a lot of money to pick up. You can also save 5% off on wheels because oh my God, this is so hard. Jesus Christ.
Oh no.
Stop.
Oh no. Oh no.
This is so much to pick up. Did we get a shot?
I think we got it, yeah.
Is there stuff stuck on the ledge?
Yeah, a little bit.